Brilliant.
Biodiversity 2. Differences. Population is made up of all organisms of the same species that live in an area at the same time. Ecosystem consists of all organisms living in an area as well as non-living parts of that environment. Community is all the populations of all species living in an ecosystem. The different parts of the ecosystem are a producer, they make food. An example would be green plants. Another example is the consumers. They obtain energy by eating other organisms. Examples are rabbits or deers. Decomposers are the next ones. They eat up all the waste to break them down to simple energy. Examples are bacteria or earthworms. All of these things make up the ecosystem on the earth that we live in. Biodiversity 2. Speaker, Mackenzie. Filmer, Aries. Writer, Marilyn. Information, Carl. Source, the science book.
Yeah!
Biodiversity 3. Food web is a model that shows all possible food relationships among the organisms in a community. This is an example of a food web. Example would be that the rabbit eats the carrots and the fox eats the rabbit, and the mice would eat the grains, and so would the grasshopper, and the bird would eat the grain and the fox would eat the bird. The owls would also eat the grasshopper and the mice. A food chain is a way of showing how matter and energy pass from one organism to another. This one works by the worm eats the dead plant, and then the turtle eats the worm, and the eagle eats the turtle. This is an example of a food chain. Biodiversity 3. Speaker, Mackenzie. Filmer, Aries. Writer, Marilyn. Information, Carl.
Yeah, do it again, bro! Do it again! Yeah, that was brilliant. Boo!